my final warrior pose. This one really gives me a sense of confidence and groundedness. I feel like this pose creates a deep connection between my body and mind. Now I'm moving into some more deep stretching poses, really focusing on opening my body further. I'm slowly folding forward, concentrating on my breath to release any tension with each exhale. I'm leaning to one side, raising my arm up. This creates a wonderful stretch in the side muscles of my body. I find this pose really helps to lengthen my spine and increase flexibility. Next, I'm focusing on the other leg, repeating the same stretch. This ensures that both sides of my body work equally. It's so important for balance and symmetry. I'm now transitioning into some relaxing poses, perhaps a child's pose or a gentle twist. These poses really help to soothe and calm my body during the practice. I'm deepening my breaths now, feeling the energy in my body with each inhale. This is a moment of pure relaxation where my body and mind completely integrate. As the video comes to an end, I'm slowly wrapping up my practice. I often finish in Savasana or a comfortable seated position. This calm and meditative ending truly helps to quiet my body and mind. So, that was my yoga practice for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I feel like it's a great comprehensive display of various yoga techniques for flexibility, strength, and overall well-being. It truly promotes a calm and harmonious lifestyle.